Episode 3 of Mushroom Mania series. How to reuse your mushroom substrate. Reuse your mushroom substrate like a pro. Hey amazing growers. It's A.O.R.E from A.O.R.E Dailylife Channel. So, your mushroom kit just finished producing, now what? Don't throw that substrate away. In today's episode, I'll show you how to reuse your mushroom substrate and get 2 to 3 harvests or more from it. Let's dive in mushroom recycling. Number 1. What happens after first flush? After harvesting your first batch of mushrooms, called a flush, your substrate still has active mycelium inside. That means with proper care, it can keep producing. Fun fact. 1 block of oyster mushroom substrate can give up to 3 full harvests. Number 2. How to reactivate it. Here's how to wake it up again. Step 1. Remove leftover mushroom stems and any green mold. Step 2. Soak the entire substrate block in clean cold water for 6 to 12 hours. Step 3. Drain well, mist lightly, and return to your dark, warm space. Step 4. Mist 1 to 2 times daily. Within 5 to 7 days, you'll see new baby mushrooms. Number 3. When to retire the substrate. Your substrate is ready to retire when. Number 1. It smells bad. Number 2. Grows mold. Number 3. Turns fully brown or dry with no new growth. Number 4. Use it as garden compost, add to flower pots, or feed it to chickens, depending on type. Bonus. Pro tip. Want to supercharge your reused substrate? Mix it with fresh straw or sawdust, then add a little new spawn. It's like giving it a boost, and boom! New mushrooms in no time. Reusing your mushroom substrate equals more mushrooms, less waste, and maximum value. Like this video? Tap that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and share it with someone who needs farming inspiration.